we are in Shirdi and this is Hotel Temple Tree and this is the view that we are getting from behind our rooms. आपका स्टे इस होटल में कैसे रहा?
बहुत बढ़िया रहा।
रात कैसे कटी आपकी?
बहुत भयानक और दर्दनाक कटी है।
अच्छा, ये आपके शारीरिक तनाव की वजह से था या फिर होटल के खराब होने की वजह से था?
ये हमारे शारीरिक तनाव की वजह से था।
मतलब आपका कहना ये है कि ये होटल बहुत बढ़िया है।
हाँ, बढ़िया है।
गिरिवा इधर आओ, गिरिवा, हाउ यू लाइक दिस होटल?
बहुत बढ़िया, एकदम
चौचक। अरे और भी कुछ बोलिए।
और फिलहाल कुछ बोलने की कंडीशन में नहीं है हटके फुलावर हो गया।
आपको बिस्तरवा कैसे लगा?
एकदम बढ़िया,
एकदम बढ़िया। तो
ऊपर से नीचे हो रहा था।
ऊपर से नीचे हो रहा था। जब आप बाथरूम में गए नहान वास्ते तो कैसा लगा?
स्वर्ग में उतर गए। खाली क्या तकलीफ हो रहा था, एक बार गर्म करना पड़ रहा था, एक बार ठंडा।
This is the hotel room, guys. We are in Shirdi and this is Hotel Temple Tree and this is the view that we are getting from behind our rooms. We were short of 8 kilometers last night and so had to stop at a particular point, check into the hotel, gain our energies back, having rested about 5 hours or so, 5 to 6 hours or so, and we are now ready to go to that point and start our walk back. In my case, it's a balance of about 8 kilometers, whereas in Suresh's case, it's a balance of about 10 kilometers. We hope to complete this leg in about 2.5 hours time. Come into Shirdi, come back to the hotel, have lunch, and then proceed for the darshan of Bhagwan Baba. This is Hotel Temple Tree, a little ahead of the Sansthan Trust. It's a 4-star property. Enjoyed the stay, pretty decent food, decent facilities, good breakfast, lavish. You can definitely check this out when you come here. We had a balance of 8 kilometers to be done. What we had to do was we had to stop our walking at around 12:45 last night, with the balance 8 kilometers to be negotiated to be done this morning. It's about 9:45 now in the morning. Looks like we should be able to reach the hotel before 12. We'll again freshen up, have lunch, and then again walk a few paces to the temple. That's how it seems this walking tour of Shirdi is going to conclude. This route offers an excellent interface with country life. Lush fields on both sides till as far as your vision can reach. So I have Shibu walking with me and Atish joined us last evening. Atish is a boxer, so he keeps practicing his moves wherever he is, and I have another team walking about a couple of kilometers back. Suresh and Vikas are walking there. They are accompanied by Deepak, Parag, Rajesh and Ajinkya. Deepak was supposed to be with us, but he has double crossed us, betrayed us and gone to that team, but that's okay. So I'm going to continue my walk. I'm going to show you a bit of this route and then I'm going to show you Shirdi as we enter it. So we are officially into the Nagar Panchayat of Shirdi, municipal council limits, the municipality limits of Shirdi, the city limits, the town limits, whatever you may call. We are within the grasp, the reach of the Lord. Barely moments away now from the temple. I have still 23 minutes to walk, about a couple of kilometers. Have walked about 213 kilometers till now, and what an enriching, empowering, totally transformational experience it has been. Wow, only wow. We're on the main road of Shirdi, the road which houses several hotels, several facilities for devotees, and also the Sansthan Trust temple premises and the adjoining ancillary premises that support the working of the organization that runs the temple. We're going to take a short detour out of this towards the hotel where we are staying. Having freshened up, we will again start walking a few paces towards the temple for the darshan at the darshan time. Given the COVID protocols, the pandemic rules, access to the temple darshan facility is only via appointment. So here we are. We have touched down, destination Shirdi. We're on the Shirdi Nasik road. It's an exhilarating feeling. I'm so happy beyond words to have been able to make it this far. I don't know if I'll be able to show you the darshan of the Lord, take you into the temple premises through the video. I'll try and film whatever I can, but I pray that all of you do visit this fantastic pilgrim center, the abode of Shri Shirdi Sai Baba, and receive his blessings. His benevolence, his benign grace has the power to transform lives, change course of the direction the lives of people are taking. Such power rests in this great, very, very generous Lord, very, very benevolent Lord. Here's Shirdi for you guys. See you next time at some other place, some other Tirtha Kshetra, some other holy spot. Together we'll have the darshan of the deity there. Till then, Hari Om. Om Sai Ram. Destination Shri Shirdi Sai Baba Mandir in this holy town of Shirdi. We are ready to go in and have darshan of Bhagwan. We are restricted from taking mobile phones or camera equipment inside, so I won't be able to film any part of that complex. Looks like this is going to be the last video of this vlog. Thank you so much. I hope all of you enjoyed in this journey of mine to the holy Kshetra of Shirdi. I'm sure many of you would want to undertake this journey for yourselves in the future. I wish you all the best, and let's all seek the guidance and blessings and the grace of Bhagwan Shri Shirdi Sai Baba.